Italian chef موریس, who is running a pizza store in the southern Chinese city of Nannning, hopes to use food as a bridge of people-to-people exchanges between countries.
These are our pizzas. Our store is called Call Me Pizza. I called it Call Me Pizza because I think it's a funny name, easy to remember. We've been open in this location for 5 months. We are slowly growing, getting new customers every day. And our cuisine is a little bit different from local food. I think many cuisines from around the world, coming here to Nanning, it's a nice thing because it's bringing people closer together. When you know somebody's cuisine and can get to know the people well, and brings people together like friends, and so I hope that people enjoy it and become friends while eating together.